Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make a noodle salad with creamy peanut sauce. Another meal you can make in under 30 minutes. For the salad I'm using udon noodles. You can find them at Asian stores or at the Asian aisle at most supermarkets nowadays. Even thin spaghetti or regular spaghetti would work in this recipe. When you order a noodle salad at a restaurant, it's mostly noodles with very little vegetables. When you make it at home, add as many vegetables as you would like. The more vegetables you add, the more nutritious it is. I'm going to grate a few carrots, some red bell pepper, thinly slice red cabbage and green cabbage, chop up some fresh cilantro, scallions. It's really easy to substitute other vegetables in this salad. And peanuts. I'm using roasted, lightly salted peanuts. For the easy peanut butter sauce, I'm going to squeeze a lime. Smooth peanut butter, about a 1/4 cup. Soy sauce. I'm using low sodium soy sauce. Honey. The rest of the ingredients I'll add to the pot because we are going to heat up the sauce. I've got some fresh ginger and garlic. I'm just using a medium clove of garlic and almost an inch piece of ginger. Heat up a small saucepan. I'm going to add some chili oil. This is spicy chili crisp. You can add whatever chili oil you can find. Now the heat level is up to you. I'm adding 2 teaspoons. Add the ginger and garlic. Just cook it for about 30 seconds until the ginger and garlic lose their raw flavor. That's good. Make sure you have it on low heat. Add the rest of the ingredients. Just heat it until it forms a nice smooth sauce. The peanut butter has to melt into it. It takes just a minute or two. Add a little bit of water. You want the sauce just thick enough to coat the noodles. Taste it and add more soy sauce or honey or chili sauce according to your taste. I'm going to add a little bit more lime juice. It's an absolutely delicious sauce. Bring a large pot of water to boil to cook the noodles. While the water is boiling, start prepping the vegetables. Slice the cabbage as thin as possible. This is about 2 cups. Just trim the thin end of the carrot, not the fat end, because you can hold on to it while grating. It's safer. You can see how healthy that looks already. When the water comes to a full boil, the noodles come in 3 bundles. Don't just put them right in because there is a piece of paper holding it together. Cook this according to the packet's directions. With my noodles, after you put them in, bring it to a boil, reduce the heat to low, and then simmer uncovered for 13 to 14 minutes. You can definitely prep the vegetables and the sauce while the noodles are cooking. This way you can make this entire noodle salad in under 30 minutes. By the way, when you cook the noodles, do not add salt to the water like you would when you cook pasta for Italian dishes. The udon noodles already have salt in them. I'll drain the noodles. And you want to rinse them in cold water right away. Drain this really well, and then we can mix the sauce into the noodles. Transfer the noodles to a big bowl. If you've let the sauce sit, it is going to thicken up a little bit, so just warm it up slightly before adding it to the noodles. Now we'll add all the vegetables, as much or as little as you want. Green cabbage, red bell pepper, and the carrots. Give that a mix. You can see the salad is loaded with vegetables. Just gonna have a little taste. The sauce is so good. It's so creamy. A little bit spicy from the chili oil. My chili oil is not that spicy, even though the label says spicy. There's some sweetness from the honey and sugar. Again, you could use either sugar or honey. The noodles are soft and you have the crunch of the vegetables. It's a well-balanced, really yummy noodle dish. Sprinkle on the peanuts, cilantro, and scallion before serving. I can eat this for lunch, eat it for dinner. You can also do this for meal prep. Just put the amount of noodles and vegetables you want for each serving. Put a little bit of the sauce on top and just mix it in before eating. I hope you guys like this recipe and give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe to get notifications when I upload a new video. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.